Question 18. What is a discontinued makeup product that you wish it will come back? Maybelline Dull Lash. Like this video if you know what this product is and if you ever used this product before. Hello dears, welcome to Beauty for Heart. I'm Lily, also known as Lulu. Today I'm very happy because this is a collab video between Diana Hoffman and myself. Yay! Diana Hoffman and I know each other through YouTube for 4 years and she has been very supportive to me since the start of my YouTube days. And I always do collaboration with her as well as Lisa Jacobs, but this time round, this collab is only with me and Diana Hoffman. So Diana Hoffman is a beauty YouTuber. She likes to do beauty box unboxing and beauty review and makeup looks. So in this video, we are doing 21 makeup questions tag. And this tag is originated from another beauty YouTuber from the US and she is Ellie Glines. So I will give full credits to Ellie Glines. So dears, if you like to know more YouTube friends or know more YouTube content creators and watch their work, please visit Diana Hoffman's channel after this. I will link her channel in the icon over here and also in the description box below. If you are new to my channel and you are from Diana's side, hello and welcome. I love to explore new cruelty-free makeup products from the drugstore brands, the indie brands, the clean beauty brands, and the Sephora brands. So hopefully with my beauty review videos, I can help you to select better which are the appropriate products for yourself and your favorite colors, saving you the time, money, effort, and headaches to browse through tons of products out there on the market. So if you happen to like this video, please consider to subscribe. Thank you so much. And now let's get started. There are a total of 21 questions. And the first one is, what is the oldest makeup product in your collection? I think I mentioned this in my previous video, which is also a tag video all about my eyeshadow palettes tag. I've mentioned that I got this Shiseido Trio about 20 years ago. And if you dears can see, actually the colors over here has already turned color and there are some spots over here. I dare not use this, but I just keep this for memory's sake. Okay, question number 2. What is your most recent makeup purchase? I just did a review video yesterday and don't know when I will publish that. So probably will be 2 weeks later after I finish filming this video. And that will be Suzanne eyeshadow quartz. This is the Airy Touch eyeshadow quartz. And Suzanne powder. There was a promotion at Watson's which buy one get the second one at 50% off. So that's why I bought these two together because they are of the same price. Must calculate a little to buy makeup. Okay, question number 3. What is the first makeup product you ever used? Actually, that was so long ago I really can't remember. But I think it should be either a lipstick or a nail polish. Question number 4. What is a makeup trend that you used to love but now you hate? I wouldn't say hate because hate is a very strong word. I would just say that it's not suitable for me, which is the brown lipsticks in the 90s. Okay, question number 5. What is a makeup trend that you used to hate but now you love? Again, I wouldn't use the word hate because hate is a strong word, and I wouldn't also use the word love because I just find that it's more practical, which is the matte liquid lipstick. I don't really like them because my lips is dry, and usually for matte liquid lipsticks they are drying as well, so I usually avoid them. But due to the current situation where all of us need to wear masks, I would prefer a non-transferable lipsticks, which is the matte liquid lipsticks as well as the matte lip tint. Still don't really love them, but I find that it's more suitable for the current situation. Okay, question number 6. What is my favorite step in my makeup routine? I think it's the thinking and planning part. Example, what kind of looks I want to go for, what kind of image, what kind of colors to use, and what kind of looks to suit my clothes and my mood. Question number 7. What is a makeup product that I can't live without? Eyebrow pencil. Question number 8. What sparked your love for makeup? I remembered when I was a kid, I loved to watch my mom's doing her makeup. It seems so magical, and I don't know why. I started buying lipsticks when I watched one of our local celebrities. She was wearing this very beautiful natural pink lipstick and I adore that shade a lot. And I keep searching and searching and I couldn't find that shade. After a long while then I realized, actually, the local celebrities and I have different color skin tone. And because of her work, she's always surrounded by strong lightings. That's why the color on her lips may be a little different from what I see on the TV screen. So that's probably why I can never find her shade for myself. But anyways, it's through this experience I start to gather more and more makeup, more and more lipsticks, and then I realized I love colors. Question number 9. What is the worst makeup look you ever done? I actually can't remember. But sometimes when I have no mood to make up, everything just feels very wrong. Although I've been applying the same steps, same techniques, same procedures every day, but somehow when I don't have mood, everything just seems wrong. Dears, do you have the exact feel? Can you understand me? Please comment in the comment section below, yeah? Thank you so much. Okay, question number 10. What is your favorite makeup look you have ever done? I always love a natural makeup look. Natural sparkling eyes with pinky nude lips, glossy lips especially, and with a dewy skin. Question number 11. What is your favorite drugstore makeup product? Lipsticks. And that's probably why I have a lot of lipstick swatches videos over here. Question number 12. What is your favorite splurge makeup product? Eyeshadow palette. Question 13. What is your most repurchased makeup product? I would say eyebrow pencil from Colourpop and City Girl. Actually, I don't really love eyebrow pencil as much as I love lipsticks and eyeshadow palettes. It's just that eyebrow to me is a necessity. And for lipsticks, eyeshadows and the blusher, these are colored items and there are so many colors to chase after. Usually, I cannot really complete one lipstick. So the makeup products that I need to repurchase will be the necessities, which is the eyebrow or the skincare products. Something very basic. Okay, question 14. What is your earliest makeup memory? I actually can't remember the exact age, but I remember when I was very young as a kid, I loved to watch my mom's doing makeup. So when she apply nail polish, lipstick, she do very simple makeup. So whenever me and my younger brother watch her doing that, we will always look at her, stare at her, and then she will start to apply the lipsticks and nail polish on us. Yes, on me and my younger brother. Anyways, my younger brother now has 3 little girls, so cute, all look alike. Okay, question number 15. What is your favorite place to shop for makeup? Used to be departmental store in the past, but now it's more of Watson's and Garden Pharmacy because in the departmental store there aren't a lot of cruelty-free brands. And if compared to Watson's and Garden Pharmacy, I would think that Garden Pharmacy actually has more cruelty-free brands than Watson. So I guess my most favorite will still be Garden Pharmacy. Number 16. What is the most underrated makeup products you own? Small Singapore indie brands like Makeup with Rising Phoenix. Their eyeshadow palettes are very good, very intense, pigmented, buttery, and they are very colorful. Love their creativity and their thinking process of coming up the makeup, of coming up with the palettes. And then some of the other indie brands I mentioned and did review videos will be Cruelty Beauty, liquid lipsticks, and lip paint. Some years ago, I did a video about local indie brands that I really love, but unfortunately, some of these indie brands have ceased to exist. And the reason I mention about them here right now is because because I just got a feel that Singapore indie brands are not as recognized as other countries' indie brand. Not a lot of YouTubers or the Western YouTubers or YouTubers who love indie brands makeup, I seldom hear them mentioning these brands at all. So that's why I find that they are the most underrated makeup brands and products that I've owned. Anyways, just in case you dears are curious about makeup with rising finish, I did a lot of videos about them. So I will just link a few of the videos, the latest one, on the iCard and also in the description box below. Their eyeshadow palette quality is really very good. Question 17. What is the most overrated makeup product you own? I may get beaten up. So I will define this as products that have raving reviews and they are quite costly. If you watch my videos, you will know that there are a number of the expensive eyeshadow palettes that don't work on me. Either they don't last on me or something about the formula that I don't really like and it's not working out for me. So to name a few eyeshadow palettes that I think is overrated will be the Jeffree Star Blood Money, I just mentioned it before. The Natasha Denona Sunrise Palettes, the Mini Love Palette, and the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Pillow Talk Palette because all this fades on me very fast. Question 18. What is a discontinued makeup product that you wish it will come back? Maybelline Doll Lash. Like this video if you know what this product is and if you ever used this product before. That shows my age. That was such a good mascara. I think that was my first mascara and really love it. But come to think about it now, I have converted myself to cruelty-free makeup user. So even if this Maybelline Doll Lash mascara is bad, I couldn't use it and couldn't buy it because Maybelline is not cruelty-free. So I wish that Maybelline can be cruelty-free soon. Okay, question number 19. Where do you go for makeup inspiration? I think my makeup is very basic and I like basic makeup. So probably I would say will be from the YouTube makeup tutorials, and some of the channels I've watched more frequently will be the Pony Makeup. She is a very famous Korean makeup artist. Question 20. What do you hope to see less of in the makeup's future? Less brands using animal testing, and I hope that China will lift up their animal testing law for foreigner brands. Last question. What do you hope to see more of in the makeup's future? More cruelty-free and vegan brands in Asia. Alright dears, now it's your turn to share with me. What do you dears hope to see more of in the makeup's future? Please comment in the comment section below, yeah? Thank you so much. And remember dears, if you like to know more YouTube friends and watch more content creators from YouTube, you might like to hop over to Diana's Hoffman's channel. And last but not least, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. Thank you so much for watching dears. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification button below for my future videos. I like to do beauty products review videos, and if this is your cup of tea, please join in my YouTube family. May you dears have a peaceful, blissful and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye! Before you go, please watch these two videos over here. Thank you!